Great. How are we going to get through now?
We drive behind it, and if it turns around, then we reverse.